Say something.
Something.
Y'all are some smart asses. Alright, we spent a night out here. Hey, Statue, tell us about how your night went and be honest about it, because, you know, we honest kind of folks. Don't tell them about the horrors, though.
Oh. Well, what is there to tell then?
Alright, well, tell them the truth then.
You know, it wasn't too bad. A little bit, for a little bit there, the wind picked up and it was a little bit chilly.
Y'all see that blue over there? That is his secured sleeping wrap, I reckon you'd call it. What was the idea behind that? Tell us.
Well, it gave me something to lay on, and then it gave me some cover overhead, which actually did a lot better than I thought it was going to after I looked at it for a minute. But I'm not wet anymore anyway this morning, so that worked out. But ground is a little bit harder than I remember it being.
But yeah, here this son of a bitch grows damn big boulders and rocks, like the one his phone is sitting on in my emergency radio. Oh yeah. Now Scout had decided to do the hammock, and he had a cover over the top, which I love that camouflage. He thinks there's too much brown in it. I think it's just right, but that's just me. Scout, how'd it go on your end?
Cold.
Yeah. Mine did too, and they are. They're still damn cold.
Mine are warming up finally.
Our fire went out in the middle of the night. About 6 o'clock, I woke up, and I had to pee like you wouldn't believe. So I'm already freezing. I'm chilled. I'm shaking. It's like 38 this morning. So I got the fire going, and I cheated, and I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to dig it out of the darn backpack, but basically use the little sticks that you can start a fire in a oven or whatever, fire in a wood burning stove. But this is mine. I decided to do the poncho shelter, and this is a cheap commercial poncho, and it's way too damn small, but it worked. And my little wool sleeping bag, thin 1-layer deal, that wasn't enough, but well, I guess it was. I was warm until I got out. I had to take a leak. But, man, this ground is hard as a rock, literally.